Hi guys, today I will show you the safety glasses that I just purchased. So this is a Bolle Safety. So the model is IRI-S Diopter. So it has a area where you can have like a reading lens. Okay, so according to the Bolle website, this model IRI-S Diopter is the first universal safety spectacle that fits perfectly to every face. So it features a deep flex nose bridge, fully adjustable in height, depth, and width, an ultra lightweight frame with pivoting ergonomic temples, fitting precisely to all face shapes and features. Reading area diopter version. So there are various version for the reading area. So there's like a plus 3.0, plus 2.5, and plus 2.0, plus 1.5, and plus 1.0. And for this one, I purchased is a plus 2.0. So let's see the inside. I just got the plastic. Okay, looks really nice, and I have our how do you call this, bigger lens that protects up to the side of the eyes, see, and very clear material. And you can see this portion is the diopter. So this one is 2.0, so perfect if you need to use 2.0 for your reading. Yeah, okay, you can see here. Unlike other safety glasses, does not have this option, so you have to wear your eyeglasses if you need to read something. But this one is good. Okay, and this one is you can do, I think, adjustable a little bit. It's plastic type, not really sure. And this one is also like a rubber, so it should be very comfortable to wear. Okay, so that's it. So this is a Bolle IRI-S Diopter. Okay, thank you for watching.